Have you ever looked at a photo and wished you could just step right into it to feel the depth and the moment come alive? Well, what if I told you that with the power of AI, you could do exactly that? You can magically bring your favorite pictures to life with stunning 3D movement. And you don't need to be a video editing pro. Stick around because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to find and use the FlexClip AI 3D tool. Upload your image correctly. Choose and customize different animation styles. Get the best results every time by utilizing my pro tips. This is perfect for creating eye-catching content for social media, or just to impress your friends and family. Let's dive in. Section 1. Accessing FlexClip and uploading your photo. The first step is super simple. We just need to get to the right tool and get your photo uploaded. First, open your web browser and go to FlexClip.com. If you already have an account, click Login in the top right corner. If you're new, don't worry. Signing up is quick, easy, and free. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. You'll see a section called AI Tools. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a page with all of the FlexClip AI features. The one we want is AI image to 3D animation. I've also put a direct link to this page in the video description below to save you time. Now, click the Upload Image button. You can select any photo from your computer. Pro tip number 1. For your first try, I recommend using a photo with a clear subject, like a person or a building, against a distinct background. This helps the AI work its magic more effectively. And just like that, you're ready for the fun part. Section 2. Choosing and customizing your animation. Awesome. Now your image is uploaded, and you'll see a few different animation styles to choose from. This is where you get to be the director. You might see options like zoom in, zoom out, horizontal pan, or vertical pan. Zoom in is great for creating a sense of drama, like you're moving into the scene. Horizontal gives you a smooth, cinematic panning effect, perfect for landscape shots. Duration controls how fast or slow the animation plays. But don't just pick a style and move on. The real power is in the customization. Look for the intensity and duration sliders. Intensity controls how much movement and depth you get. A lower intensity is subtle, while a higher one is more dramatic. A longer duration feels more calm and cinematic. Pro tip number 2, play around with these settings. Try a zoom in with a high intensity and a longer duration. Then, try a horizontal pan with a lower intensity. See what looks best to you. This is how you make the animation truly your own. Section 3. Previewing, enhancing, and exporting. Before we finalize anything, let's make sure it looks perfect. Once you've picked your style and adjusted the settings, always preview your 3D animated image. Watch the animation closely. Does it move the way you expected? Is it too fast or too slow? This is your chance to go back and tweak the intensity or duration until it's just right. Pro tip number 3, pay attention to the edges of your photo during the preview. Sometimes, with a very high intensity, you might see the edges of the image. If that happens, just lower the intensity a bit until it looks clean. Once you're 100% happy with your 3D animation, it's time to bring it to life. Click that Export button. You'll be given a choice of formats. You can save it as a high-quality video file. Or if you want to make a fun, short loop for social media, you can choose GIF. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional-looking 3D animation from a simple photo. How cool is that? Conclusion and recap. Seriously, great job following along. You're no longer a beginner. You're a 3D animation creator. Let's do a quick recap of what you learned today. You learned how to navigate to the FlexClip AI 3D tool and upload your image. You discovered how to choose from different animation styles like zoom and pan. You mastered the customization sliders for intensity and duration to make it your own. And you learned my pro tips for previewing and exporting your creation like a pro. The best way to get better is to practice. So, grab another photo and try it again. I'd love to see what you create. Drop a link to your animation in the comments below. I'll definitely check them out. If this video helped you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, stress-free guides to to help you master your tech. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.